Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today I will be making a tutorial or a video about JavaScript and document object manipulation or DOM. So in this video, I will be making a card that can be looked in the data, and then after that, we will be using it as uh, an object and manipulate it into an object in the HTML. So if you have already have the visual to the code, very good. We're good to go. And then first of all, let's create a file first in the file projects, Visual Studio Code. And in here, I already make a folder. It's called JavaScript tutorial. Or you can make a new folder here. After you make a new folder, go to the script, go to the Visual Studio Code. For that, we will make a file or open a file. So we're opening a file here. Search the file. You already search the file. You can put it on the coding. It's done. Okay, it's done. This I'll do it. So we'll make it from scratch. First of all, use the exclamation mark and then press enter. It will uh, determine the type of the HTML. So you can use it in HTML file. Or yeah, first of all, let's delete it first. Let's delete this index.html. You can make a new file index.html and then use the exclamation mark as I say. And then let's look at the document name to script. So okay, done. If you're done, it's good. After that, you can follow this instruction. We'll be making a style here. So this will be styling for the HTML. We'll be making uh, an ID. Then we will be making this ID card. So delete this class and put this. Okay, so we have made the ID of the card. After that, in here, we'll be making the JavaScript. Let's call the script first. Okay, so we'll be making a card. So first of all, we make a variable that looks all the data. So in here, I already have the data from uh, my classmates. So this will be just putting my classmates name. Okay, that okay. So these are my classmates. Once the data you want to be loop, you can use this. You can call the data loop variable and do for each and then make a parameter for the data loop. For me, I will use item and then we'll be making an arrow function right here. Okay, done. So we'll be making a variable. This time we will be using const because we will not be changing the data. After that, uh, arrow is document. We'll be getting the element by ID. Uh, put it arrow. Okay, done. And then use const card. We can document create element. We'll be creating an element because we don't have the element on this ID. Putting the okay, let's start looking. Uh, making card for this card for classes. this card like this. It will make this card have a class list that we can call in the style, and we can style it. Okay, so after that, we can style the card this style. Uh, we style the background color. Uh, we put it six. Uh, hashtag. So this will be using text color. For that, we can call it margin. 30 for me, 30, I'll be using 30. And after that, we can make sure the card using variable get and using create element by ID. Create element, just create element because we will be using ID image. And then after that, we'll be putting the image. For me, I have found it on Google. You can copy it or not. You can just find it and copy image address on Google. I will be using this. So let's see. Okay, so that's the image. The image is a man. Just a man. That you can class with account class with uh, shared image in added with card image. Then we will be making the content for me, create for me, creating a header to PHP. After that, then we'll card content and text container. First of all, we make card list first. Class list, card, then we have added the card content. That card that content will be making text content is item. So why are we using item? Because we have called a parameter of data loop and make it an item here. So this is the parameter. So we can call it by using item. The parameter is also optional in every function or data loop. So it's up to you if you want to use it or not. So that will make it an effect. So what is the use of effect? So effect is used to uh, make the element appear on certain area. I will be open this. So I will open this card on the arrow. I'll be opening this uh, card image and content on the card. Yes, content, content. Okay. This is the JavaScript project. We'll be making style so it will look pretty more clear. So we will be making this style as no margin and no heading. So we put the margin to 0, heading to 0. Yeah, for that, let's call another make card 0. Or we can use this by making class arrow and put this. You can follow me. We'll be using width and height. So this just to make the screen more clear or more better to look. Because if we don't use this, it will be broken or will just be a column, a lot of row. Okay, so I will be starting follow this. So it is my card style. Because style because image. For me, it's with 15 minutes. It's up to you. If the image is already good looks, you don't need to add it at this style of the margin cut. 15 because our background is black. So I'll be cutting the results here. I'll be showing. I will be go live. I will be taking it like this. That maybe it's like so. I finished the lab, and this is how it goes. So if you have done this, so so I guess I'm sorry if there's something wrong. This is what I can give, and I hope it very useful to you on your daily life, on your daily basis, or if you want to learn coding. So thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.